Okay, so since I just sharpened my knife, oh, this is just good.
Cool.
This will be making a whistle 101 out of a bass. You can also do this with willow and a few other trees. Basswood or American linden wood is related to the European linden wood, and it's a big heart-shaped leaf. Sometimes on the suckers it'll be as big as a dinner plate, you know. And this being peeling season, what we do, if I remember correct, is score it. You want to make sure you're through the bark, but no, don't go like too far into the wood. The wood's soft, and you'll see why here in a minute. So I've got a scored line all the way around. Hopefully goes completely through the bark. And then, without cutting oneself, this is bruising it, and it loosens the bark from the tree. And this doesn't happen like all year round, but just in the spring when we call it peeling season, the tree loosens the bark on itself so that it can grow another ring and expand, and bark stretches a little bit. Eventually, older mature trees, they tend to crack and get those vertical corduroy lines. Now, if all went well, that might have done it. If not, we'll do it some more. Perfect. So see it, and now it's free. See it sliding out. The other thing I hope it does is sometimes there's a little knob or knot, and as you're sliding it out, it'll split it all the way down, but we're hoping it won't. So at this point, you cut again to the bark, a little bit deeper, but not all the way around, just straight across. And then you cut back into that, forming a notch like that. Let's see. All right. Now the moment of truth. Can you get it off without splitting it? He does. So save this. Go back here where you made that first cut, and you go all the way around now. Okay, before it breaks off, while you still got something to hang on to, it's a good idea to take advantage of that and take off your little sliver like that. That will create your air passage for your new instrument. So this goes back in here. I'm going to clean this whiskers up just because. Yeah. All right. So there we are. Slip that back in there. Hard to compete with our background choir. But let's see if we can make some noise. Cut my nose off. Good girl. It's a dog whistle. But that's making a whistle 101. From the bass tree.
From the branch of a bass tree.
Yeah. I tend to think that they work better when you find young suckers that come up. You know, they might be, like this size,
okay,
but they're just the one. And they don't have a lot of knot things sticking out, leaf buds or whatever. But yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, shaving haircut.